Next problem also we are going to see. A single phase transformer has 800 turns in the primary. Therefore, what is a primary? Primary is what we can take it as N1 equal to what we can take it as 800 turns. Okay. Next is and 400 turns in the what we can take it as N2 equal to how much? It is equal to 400 turns. In the secondary, the net cross section area is 200 centimeter. The cross section area is given. I told you we can write the EMF equation in terms of flux density. Therefore, here it is given as what we can take it as cross section area is given. Therefore, we can find it out the cross section area. Area A is equal to given. Therefore, if the primary winding is connected to how much they are saying, it is connected to primary winding is connected to 240 volts. Therefore, this is equal to V1 equal to how much? It is equal to 240 volts and 50 hertz supply. Therefore, F is equal to how much? It is equal to 50 hertz. And determine the EMF. Therefore, first you can write the given data. Given data is N1. N1 is equal to 800 turns. N2 equal to 400 turns. And what is that area? Area is given as, what is that area is 200 centimeter square. That we can change it as, what we can change that as 200 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Change it into standard units. Okay, next frequency is given as 50 hertz. And next, what is that? V1 is equal to 240 volts. These are given data. What to find? What do you have to find it out? You have to find it out to find what they are asking, EMF induced in the secondary. That is, we have to find it out. E2, transformer ratio K, and maximum value of flux density they are asking. Therefore, EMF induced in the secondary, transformer ratio, and they are asking you to find it out the phi m. Therefore, we can find it out the transformer ratio, we can find it out easily because N1 and N2 terms are given. Therefore, K is equal to what we can write it as? It's nothing but what we can take it as V2 by V1 is equal to E2 by E1 is equal to I1 by I2 is equal to N2 by N1. But N2 and N1 are given. Therefore, what we can write it as? We can take K is equal to what is N2? N2 is 400. 400 divided by 800. That is nothing but it is equal to what we can take? 400 by 800 is nothing but it is equal to 5. 800 or 80 it is. Sorry, it is given as 80 turns. Therefore, it is 80 turns. Therefore, what is that? 80 turns. Therefore, 400 by 80 turns. 400 by 80 turns is nothing but we can take it as K is equal to 5. Therefore, what is K? K is nothing but it is equal to 5. That is K is 5. Okay. Now, we have found out the K value. Therefore, one thing is found out, that is K. Next, what they are asking? They are asking you to find it out E2. E2, what is the formula? 4.44 F phi m into N2. Frequency is given. What is given? N2 is given. Phi m is not there, but you have to find it at phi m. Is also two unknown terms. Therefore, this is not. Therefore, it is not possible to find it out E2. Then how to find it out the E2? Yes, any guess is there? Yes, same. What we can write? Using the transformation ratio, we can find it out. Therefore, V2 by V1 is nothing but it is equal to N2 by N1. N2, N1 is known. V1 is what is the value? It is given 240. Therefore, we can take it as 2 equal to N2 into V1 divided by N1. What is the value of N2? N2 is nothing but it is equal to 400. V1 is given as what is the 240 divided by N1. Therefore, what is the value of this one? This is equal to 1200 volts. V2 you are getting it as 1200 volts. You understood? Therefore, In this you see, okay, in this what is that voltage? Voltage is 240, V1 is 240 primary. What is V2? V2 is 1200. What type of transformer this is? Step up. That is 240 volt is stepped up to 1200. If it is a step up transformer, the K will be greater than 1. That you should keep in mind. That is, if the K is greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1. Whereas in case of step down, down means what is that? K will be less than 1. If you see, you can check it out by using that formula. Okay, next, now we have found out this one. Next, what is that? Next is you have to find it at 5m. Yes or not? You have found out the K value and you found out it. What is 5m? By using these equations. E2 is equal to, what is that? E2 is 1200. You have found out 4.44 F 5m N2. What is that? E2 is given as 1200 volts. That is equal to 4.44. F is how much it is given? 50. This we can write it as B into A into N2. Okay, how to find it out this one? That is, we can find it out by using F into, no need, we have found out this, no. Therefore, what we can take it as 4.44 into 50 into 5m into N2. That is 1200 volts. Therefore, from this you can find it at 5m. 5m is nothing but 1200 divided by 4.44 into 50 into N2 how much? N2 is 400. Therefore, from this you can find it out the value of 5m. 5m is nothing but it is equal to Weber. This is your flux, okay. I told you that you have to find it out the flux, but they have asked the flux density. Therefore, you have to find it out flux density also. What is B? B is equal to 5 by A. That is equal to 5m by A. What is 5m? It is nothing but it is equal to 0.135 divided by A. What is the value? 200 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Therefore, what is your P value? B value is 0.675 in Weber per meter square. Therefore, this is the value of water flux density. Okay, now we have found out the values.